pretty cool, right? Screen mirroring your Fold 7 to your TV completely free, and it's pretty awesome. You can use camera if you want to. As you can see, it's working pretty awesome. You can take a photo, you can zoom in on a photo, which is pretty cool, and it's completely free. Everything is built into it, and you don't have to download anything on your Fold 7. And the best part is that if you unfold it, it will be a different screen on your phone. Pretty awesome. So if you want to listen to music, the audio will be coming from the phone to TV actually. See? Pretty cool, right? Well, it's completely free. Everything is built into it. So let's just dive right into it. Hey, what is up everybody? I know it's been a while, but I'm Riz, and today's awesome video, we're screen mirroring your Fold 7. Why am I holding it like that? Today's video, we're screen mirroring your Fold 7 to your TV. It's free, it's wireless, and the best part is that you don't have to download anything on your Fold. Everything is built into it. You just saw it, let's just dive right into it. Also, if you want to know more about Fold 7, I have a complete video on tips and tricks, more than 30 tips and tricks. So I'll be sure to link that up in this corner or in this corner, so be sure to check it out. So the first thing you want to do on your Fold 7 is to make sure it's connected to your home Wi-Fi. So in this case, just go to the settings. Now inside the settings, you wanted to go into the connection tab right there. Inside the connection, as you can see, first one is going to be the Wi-Fi option, obviously, pretty simple. Now inside the Wi-Fi, just enable that and will automatically connect it to your home Wi-Fi. But if you don't have home Wi-Fi, you can always use your mobile hotspot, which I'll show you in a bit. If you don't want to use your home Wi-Fi, you can always use your hotspot. So inside the connection settings, you can find something called mobile hotspot right at the bottom. Now, if you enable this, it will automatically enable a hotspot right from your Fold 7, but be careful with it. It might cost you data depending on what country you live, what data plan you have. So I would recommend using your home Wi-Fi. It's free, it's homey, and you don't have to worry about data plans or anything like that. So I would recommend just use your home Wi-Fi. But if you want to use a hotspot, I'll show you in the video how you can use the hotspot. So now that's pretty much it on your Fold 7. That's all you have to do on your Fold. Now let's just jump to the TV and let's do this. All right, so on your TV, as you can see, mine is Samsung, but it doesn't matter what TV you have. If you have an Android TV, I will be linking that video. I'll be uploading a new video as well, but I have an older video as well that you want to watch. But the process is pretty much same across all TVs, across all Google TVs or Samsung TVs or Android TVs, okay? I'm gonna stop talking now. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna do on your TV is to go into the settings page. Now inside the settings, go all the way down to your general settings. Now inside the general, you wanna find something called network settings. It doesn't have to be inside the general, just find network settings on your TV. In this case, these are network settings. Inside the network settings, if you have done this before, you can just click on network status. It will automatically connect your TV to your Wi-Fi connection. But if you have never done this before, you can go to the open network settings. Now inside the network settings, as you can see, I have two options. You can go wireless and you can go wired as well. I would not recommend wired. I mean, it's messy, but you could just click on wireless. And once you're inside the wireless, you can see there's multiple connections right there. See? Now this one is my home Wi-Fi. As I promised you before, I will show you how you can use the mobile hotspot to make a connection. So let me just show you how you do that, and then we will connect to home Wi-Fi. Now let me show you. All right, so I promised to show you exactly how you can use hotspot. So go to the connection settings. Now inside the connection settings, as you can see, I am inside the connection settings. I'm inside the connection settings, and I will just find the mobile hotspot settings. As you can see, these are my hotspot settings. All you have to do is just enable the hotspot. So let me just enable that. As you can see, mine is enabled, right? Now, as you can see, I don't have data enabled, but if you want to do that, as you can see, I don't have data enabled, as you can see right there, but all you have to do is just disable the Wi-Fi and just enable the data. That way, it will automatically open up a hotspot that is using your data. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Now, let me just show you how you can do that. You can also use it without data if you want to, but in this case, I'll just make it simple and show you how it works. So hotspot is enabled and it should be visible on my TV. So let's just refresh the page and let's see if it's visible. Go click on refresh. And it should be right there. Say that is my Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. It's right there. But again, if you want to use hotspot, just make sure it's connected to that network, or I will just connect it to my home Wi-Fi, which I would recommend. In this case, as you can see, mine is connected. Click OK, and that is pretty much all you have to do on your TV. Literally all you have to do on your TV. There's nothing else. As I showed you before, the phone, the Fold 7 and my TV are on exact same Wi-Fi connection. That is really, really important, okay? Now, to do this, you have to go to the settings page. Now, inside the settings, we'll be using the connected devices right there. Now, inside the connected devices settings, you can just scroll down just a tiny bit until you find something called Smart View right there. All you have to do is click that, and it will ask you a couple permissions. Just click OK, and as you can see, it will automatically search for the TV that is running on the same Wi-Fi connection or the hotspot. In this case, as you can see, my TV is right there. All you have to do is just click on that. It will ask you for permission. Click Start Now, and it will give it right there. It's asking for permission, and you can see it on my TV that it's asking for a Fold 7. Just click Allow. And as you can see, mine is connecting, and it will just take a couple seconds right there. Bam. We are connected. We're actually connected. Okay, so, oh, it's actually going to the full screen mode. We're connected. Pretty awesome. This works amazing, by the way. You can use cameras, you can listen to music. The audio will be coming from the TV, so don't worry about that. So let me just show you how the camera actually works. So if I open up a camera, you can see that it's actually, oh, that's pretty cool. Let me just take a photo. I took a photo. Let me open up the photo. You can see it on the screen. You can just gonna go full screen, as you can see. My UV funkies. Oh, there's a puppy. Yeah, pretty cool, right? Let me just zoom out. Yeah, there you go. Pretty awesome. You can listen to music if you want to. Let me just Spotify. Let me just open up a Spotify. Let me just play some music. See, the music is actually coming from the TV, which is pretty cool, which is pretty awesome. You can do turn on this, you can play games, and if you want to, you can just go to, you can do this, and it will automatically change the screen on your TV, which is really cool because this way you can just use the Fold. You can use the Fold version of this, which is pretty cool. So let me just go to the Insta. Let me just go to my Insta. You can see there's tons of great content there. You can follow me on Insta if you want to. Let me just zoom in. You can see the zooming is working flawlessly. You can watch videos too if you want to. Right there. I can see it. It's working. It's pretty cool, right? Yeah, pretty cool. I mean, I make content, okay? I make content, but yeah, it's pretty cool. As you can see right there. I mean, if I go full screen. Yeah, I don't want to get copyrighted, but you get the idea, right? Which is pretty cool. So the way you disconnect is pretty simple as well, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you a couple of features that you're missing out if you're using the Fold. So if you can see, once you're screen mirroring, you can see there is a tiny bit of a floating thingy. Just click on that. Actually, yep, right there. Click on that. Once you click on that, it will give you a couple of options. You can pause this Smart View if you want to text someone, or if you want to view photos that are private or something. Next up, you can change the aspect ratio, and also you can disconnect it right from the desktop. Pretty cool, right? So you can see it's working flawlessly. You can play games if you want to. If you want to play games, just fire up a game and it will automatically work. And we need an update. Just okay. As you can see, if you want to play a game, you can just go to the gaming sessions, and the aspect ratio is pretty messed up, but it should be fixed if the game supports it. So in this case, this does not support it. So yeah, you have to deal with that. Yeah. So pretty cool, right? Now the way you disconnect is pretty simple as well. I'm just gonna show you on the big screen. All you have to do is just go to the settings page. Once you're inside the settings, go to the connection settings. Once you're inside the settings, go all the way down to connected devices. Inside the connected devices, go to the Smart View, as you can see right there. If you want to disconnect, just click on your TV and it should be disconnected right there. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. See, it's not connected anymore. Well, that's pretty much it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you next one. Peace out. Alright, so that's pretty much it for the video. By the way, if you have any questions, you can comment down below. You can comment down below. It's right below the subscribe button, okay? You see what I did there? But yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section below. I reply to almost every single comment that I see. So if you have any questions, comment down below. Subscribe to the video if you find this video helpful. I'm Riz, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.